How to import Elementor template Envato to WordPress. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to import Elementor template Envato to WordPress. For this, first of all, you need to go to plugins and here click on add new, and in the search box search for Envato, click enter, and you need to install this Envato Elements plugin. Once it's installed, click on activate. I have already installed and activated it. Then you need to bring your cursor here to the sidebar, and here you can see an option of elements. Click on welcome, and from here you can access premium template kits, free template kits, and premium photos. You can also install premium templates and free templates. First of all, let's see free template kits. Here are some free template kits you can install from them, but if you want premium templates, you can also get premium templates, but you need to pay for them. Once you pay for them, you need to install them and then you need to upload them. So I have already installed a premium template, so I'll go to elements and then I'll click on installed kits. Here install template kits will be shown to you. I have also installed a free template kit from Envato Elements. Now I'm going to upload a premium template kit. Let's click on upload template kit and I'll upload this. So my file is uploading here. Once it's uploaded, you can use it. I have already made a video on how you can download premium kits for free. I'll give you the link of the video in description. You can go and watch it. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.